Good evening. We're on Dawn Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen. Got some, this right here is the inside tenderloin of the deer that we got. I'm going to do a little tenderloin saute with bell pepper and onion. So give it a chance to see what I'm doing here. Get this set up right. All right, there we go. So we're going to season this really good using Greek seasoning here at Walmart. You can get this stuff is really good for wild game. That's my main go-to. All right. So we're gonna kind of leave them like that. Gonna get our onion here. Leave it kind of long. Guess it could be like a Philly cheesesteak, but we didn't shred it up like I normally do. Seeds out. Bell pepper's not the greatest, but we're gonna make it work. Kind of cut them long. That bell pepper is going to add a little more flavor once we get it in the hot skillet over there. So I'm going to turn my skillet on now. Get this yellow one going. I'm going to put that meat in there first, let it get to searing and cooking really good. Then we're going to dump our vegetables on it. Get it all that flavor in there with it. You can make a Philly cheesesteak at this point. You can make a taco at this point. But that's some really tender meat on the inside of the deer. The deer inside tenderloin, and I kind of shredded it long ways. I might even come back in and do some smaller cuts going this way so it don't draw up. It shouldn't, but you know, just in case, I think I'm gonna take the mallet to it also. Just knock it down just a little bit. Now we're ready to go to the skillet. Try to set it up over here where y'all can see it. The wife has got a spaghetti butternut squash going. There we go. So I'm gonna lay this down the back side first. Oh yeah. We'll let that cook for a minute on that side, then we're gonna flip it over. Then we're gonna add our vegetables to it. Like I said, there's so many different ways you can fix the high word for deer meat is venison, and this is one recipe I like to do when I first get one. Those tenderloins from the inside of the deer, they're on that back wall, and I'm cooking in olive oil using Greek seasoning, and then we're going to cover it with vegetables once we're done with it, and it should be, I think it'll be pretty good. Yeah, it's getting about there. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's cooking up good. Some people say this is the filet mignon of the deer because it's really, really tender, and like I said, it's really good. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good and tender. So we're gonna let it do its thing on that side. I'm gonna put these vegetables in so that they can get caramelized and start soaking into the meat right now. So we're gonna dump those in right now. We'll lay some yellow ones on that one. Put some red ones over here. Some more yellows. Then we're gonna set these onions in here. Just like that, and all that flavor is going to go down. It's going to get sweating. It's going to get to cooking, cook down, and it's going to be nice. All right, we're going to let that cook, and we'll come back after a while and show you what it's going to look like, ready to bite into it. All right, we'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures, cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen with the inside tenderloin of a deer.